Morning everyone, day one here, cutting edge construction. We've got a complete kitchen remodel this morning. We're gonna get the cabinets completely torn out, the existing cabinets, and that's what we've got going today. Stick around, grab your coffee, and let's get to it. Hey, pulling up to the donation store here. That kitchen we just got done tearing out. Man, the cabinets were in great shape. So we're down here. We're gonna donate them, and those cabinets will have a second life somewhere. Morning everybody, here we are, day two. We're gonna do the cabinet installation today. Let's walk inside and take a look. So here, because we do not have any ceiling that we're gonna be tying into with crown molding, all we merely need to do is find the high spot on the floor, measure up to get the low point of our upper cabinets, and start hanging cabinets.
Let me show you guys something. This is a must. I'm gonna set you down right here. You know, sometimes when you get on the job site, sunflower seeds.
Okay, that's good, Chance. You can jump up here with me.
All right.
Now, fold that up a little. Okay, I'm gonna get my foot out. Now, sink that down. There we go.
Look at that.
That is a sink base.
I did this, by the way.
Is that true?
That is true. He laid it all out.
I don't believe you.
Brent doesn't believe me. Cue the clip. What is up, guys? Chance here with CE Construction. We are on technically day 3 of this kitchen install. We did the demo and we did the install yesterday, and we're kind of finishing some things up today. So what we've got is basically a few more cabinets to install, crown, and some light bar to install. So not a lot to do. It's just really detailed and tedious. So what we're going to do is unload all of our tools from the trailer and go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy. Dad coming in clutch with the Alani.
Kicking that Friday morning off right.
That's right. Easy, simple. Let's get inside. Guys, we are gonna grab my dad's tape measure. We're gonna get it to him because he needs it, dude. He needs his tape measure. Because you can't do any work without it. So, come on, man. He should know this. He's the experienced one in the group.
Perfect, Brent. I like it.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I got your tape measure for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I love it.
Brent and I didn't use it because we know you get mad when we use your
Yes.
pink camo tape
It's
measure.
Friday floral.
Yep. Hey, some guys like pink.
So we're at the final here on this kitchen. One quick thing I wanted to explain to you is when we put the light rail in, it came out flush with the plane of the door. So when we wanted that same effect on the crown molding, so what we did was manufactured this nailer that we fastened to the top of the cabinet. So when we put our crown molding up, it allowed us to hang like 3/16 inch below the top of the cabinet, so we would have a clean line all the way around on the face front.
Pink camo. You know, I'm concerned that you have this in the trailer in the first place. Huh?
Hey man.
Is that all you have to say is, hey, man?
I'm thinking of something to say, but I want to make sure that I keep it.
Favorite tape? Ease
I
up.
got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna.
You guys weren't supposed to see
I'm
that?
gonna put some little. Never forget it. Never mind.
Okay.
Let's go.
What are you doing?
Nice.
That's my knife.
You get it back.
All right. Enough goofing around. Let's grab the Alani and let's get to work.